Hello and welcome. In this video, we will talk about the worst oils that are bad for your health. I have very important information to give you, so stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any details. So, in today's world, there are a lot of different oils available in the market, and it can be tough to know which ones are healthy and which ones are not. Find out now which are the worst oils and why they are so harmful to health. First up, let's talk about hydrogenated oils. These oils are produced by adding hydrogen to liquid oils, which makes them more solid and stable. However, this process also creates trans fats, which are highly unhealthy and can increase your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Next, we have soybean oil. This oil is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for our body but only in moderation. However, most people consume way too much omega-6, and this can lead to chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Third, we have canola oil. This oil is marketed as a healthy option, but it's highly processed and usually genetically modified. It's also high in omega-6 and low in omega-3 fatty acids, which can disrupt the balance of essential fats in your body. Fourth, let's talk about vegetable oil. This is another highly processed oil that's commonly used in many processed foods. It's high in omega-6 and low in omega-3, and like canola oil, it's often genetically modified. Finally, we have palm oil. This oil is produced by extracting the oil from the fruit of the oil palm tree. It's high in saturated fat and can raise your cholesterol levels, which increases your risk of heart disease. So, there you have it, the worst oils that are bad for your health. Now, I need to pass on some very important information. If you've been using these types of bad oils, but from this video you become aware of the health risk they pose, I want to introduce you to Activation Products, because it is currently the largest producer of healthy, natural oils in existence. All of its oils are produced with precisely selected elements. In this way, you can make an immediate replacement, from a bad and harmful oil to a natural and healthy oil that will improve your health and quality of life. I left all the details in the description of this video. Click on the link below and you will be taken to the official Activation page, where you can check out the varieties of natural oils available for you to incorporate into your daily life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Big hug and until next time.